Did you know your vehicle may be equipped with a convenient feature that helps make maneuvering a trailer in reverse easy? It's called Pro Trailer Backup Assist. Let me tell you about it. Whether you're backing a trailer into a job site or launching a boat, if you can turn a knob, you can now back up your trailer with ease. Which means whichever direction you want your trailer to go, just turn the knob in that direction and the system will take over the steering, instead of having to turn the wheel in the opposite direction. To use it, press the center button on the Pro Trailer Backup Assist knob. A list of available trailers will appear. Choose the one you want, and the Pro Trailer Backup Assist will attempt to locate it. Once the targeting sticker is located by the rearview camera, the screen will prompt you to shift into reverse to activate it. Then follow the prompts displayed on the information screen. With your hands off the steering wheel, use the Pro Trailer Backup Assist knob to steer the trailer. Turn the knob left or counterclockwise when you want the rear of the trailer to go to the left, and right, clockwise, to go right. You should also make it a habit to use your side view mirrors as your primary visual aid while maneuvering the trailer. Once the trailer is moving in the direction you want, release the knob. Keep in mind, you may need to make small adjustments with the knob to keep the trailer moving along the desired path. As soon as the knob is either released or turned back to the center position, the vehicle will follow the trailer's path. You'll need to control the accelerator and brakes.